Hi, today's video is regarding a HP Envoy 5052 printer and how to replace the ink cartridges. First step is to switch on the printer, and once your printer is ready, just open the shelf. And now we can see here are the we can see the cartridges here, and open this flap and we can remove the cartridges. And now insert the new cartridge, so just place it here, push it a little bit inside and put the flap on, and same for the black ink cartridge, push it a little bit, and once you press this flap it will insert the cartridge inside automatically. Now close the lid. Printer may print a alignment page, and we have to place it on the top section facing on the downward side and just on the right side corner, and press OK for the alignment, and that is ready for use.